Hello again, dear students. Welcome back to EasEnglish, your English learning program. My name is Rodrigo Lasso Campo, your English teacher from Easy Training, and this is lesson 212, part 1. Lesson 212, part 1 in Curso Básico Level 1. The title of the lesson is What is in the box? What is in the box? And in this picture we can see a box that is being taken or carried somewhere. There are many questions that we can make in this lesson about the box. The first question about this box comes from the title. What is in the box? You and I don't know what is in this box. Can you guess what is in this box? And the second question can be where this boy is taking this box. Where the boy is taking the box. And in this other picture we can see two people. And we can see a box. Is it the same box? And it appears like the box has dropped into the water. Who are they? And what are they trying to do? Are they on board of a ship? What is the ship going? And here is a map. I think this map means something to us with respect to the box. What does it mean? Now we can see here a line, like this is the route something or somebody takes. Perhaps this is the starting point. This is the United Kingdom, and here is Ireland. Perhaps the box goes from Ireland to somewhere across South America, over the sea, to somewhere in India. What does it mean to you? Now, follow me. We are going to read the story. Some comments are going to be made. More questions are going to be asked. And perhaps the answers to those questions will help us find out what is in the box and where the box goes. What is in the box? The box is big and brown. The big brown box goes in the mail. The box gets stamped. The big brown box goes in the car. The box gets washed. The big brown box goes on the boat. The box gets wet. The big brown box goes on the train. The box gets placed. The big brown box goes on the plane. The box gets torn. The big brown box goes in the truck. The box gets tossed. The big brown box goes in the van. The box gets dropped. The man takes the big brown box to the door. The man knocks on the door. A girl opens the door. Special delivery, says the man. The end. Well, this lesson begins with the question, what is in the box? You and I don't know what is in the box. It refers to this box. The only thing we know about the box is that it is big and brown. And we can see that this boy is biking to somewhere. Somewhere he is taking this box to. And from the second picture, we can see that the boy, here is the boy, was going to the post office. Now he is posting the box. From this map, we can infer, we can guess the box goes from Ireland, going across South America to somewhere in India. In these two pictures, we can see that the box is totally neat and whole. Do you think this box will be like this by the time it reaches India? Wait and see. The writer says that the big brown box goes in a car, this car, and the box gets smashed. Here is the box. There are two more boxes. We can see two more boxes. These two boxes look neat, but our box, the box that we have been talking about, is not neat anymore. It gets smashed. Let me show you the picture of another smashed box so you can have an idea what it is about, what has happened to the box. Have you ever eaten smashed potatoes? Well, potatoes are smashed so that you can eat smashed potatoes. Let me show you also a picture of smashed potatoes. This is gonna give you an idea of what it means that the box gets smashed. There you go. Well, I am almost sure you remember the box was tidy and whole when it was mailed at the post office. Now it is smashed. Smashed like this. This is smashed. And here are potatoes. These 4 potatoes are whole. And you see, in this other photograph, the potatoes are smashed. Now you compare this box, a smashed box, to smashed potatoes. Compare whole potatoes to the tidy, neat, whole box that was mailed at the post office by the boy. You get my point? Let's continue. Here is the box again. The same box. Now the writer says that the big brown box goes on the boat. On the boat. See? And the box gets wet because it falls into the water. The sea water, I guess. This boat is sailing on the ocean. And I suppose these two men are trying to rescue the box from the water. What a big problem. Now, it is not only smashed, but it is also wet. Let's keep going. By the way, I would like you to keep track of the box. First, it goes on a bike. this bike, carried by this boy, to the post office where it is mailed. Second, it goes on this car where it gets smashed. Look what it looks like now. Third, it goes on a boat and falls into the water, the sea water. You see? Then the box goes on the train. Here is the train, and here is the box. It is being placed. Later, the box goes on a plane, and it gets torn. You see here? The box gets torn. Let me show you the picture of another box being torn so that you have a clearer idea what this box is like now. Here is the picture of a box that got torn. Now, what has happened to the box until now? Let's see. Here, in the beginning, the box is neat and whole. Then, at the post office, it gets stamped, something that is required. Then, in the car, the box gets smashed. Here it is, smashed like this. Then, it gets wet. Here we can see it gets placed in the train. This is also necessary. Then it gets torn. What else is going to happen to this box? Here is the box again. It goes in a truck. Remember that it goes on a train. But somebody gets the box carefully placed on the train. This is not the case now. This man tosses the box onto the truck. The box gets tossed. It doesn't get placed carefully, but tossed. And now the box goes in a van. This is a van. And it gets dropped. Oh my. What is in the box? Is it okay? Has it been destroyed? Has it been ruined? Here is the box. How do you compare this box to the box in the beginning of the story? Does it look the same? Well, according to the information we have received, this box is probably still wet. But we can see it is torn and smashed. And here is a man, a male man, I think. This man takes the box into a door, the door to a house, and we can see the man is knocking on the door. He means to deliver the box. Here, the writer says that a girl opens the door. She receives the box. The man says it is special delivery. Here she is opening the box. What is in the box? Is it still okay? At least the box is not okay. What do you think about special delivery? Well, you see the long way the box goes. The many people who handle the box. you see that some are careful, some are not careful of the box. You see how many problems the box endures until it gets to the final destination. This is special delivery. You know what special delivery means? Have you ever mailed something special delivery? Have you ever received something from the mail special delivery? What does it mean? Well, dear students, I guess that's all about this lesson. It was a real pleasure for me to talk to you. I hope I will get to you again in a very short time. Goodbye now.